Hello everyone, Turtle Plays here, and I am with my friend Della.
Your girlfriend,
Yes,
Yes, we're 8 years old and he has a girlfriend.
I am almost 9. My birthday's in a couple weeks.
Okay, we're about to play Minecraft. Hey, stop! Evil.
Where is my...
At the top.
No, it's this one. I'm going on to my survival world.
Oh, yeah.
I am... Wait. This isn't my world.
I think that's your brother's.
And we're back! We found my world! Yay!
Why is your house flooded?
No, I purposely put it in the water because then...
Well, you know, I haven't watched any of your videos.
Well, this is my friend. This is my pet sheep. This is what gets me food.
Yeah, I see that.
A farm, and I'm probably gonna go hunting soon because... But I won't eat any sheep. Well, I did at the beginning, but that was because I was desperate to get a bed. And here's our little window.
That's not very much of a window.
Well,
A chicken can go in there.
Well, I'm gonna
chicken.
Well, what I'm gonna do right now is grab some glass.
Okay.
Oh, whoops! Accidentally placed down my cobblestone. My emergency cobblestone. Trust me, that is useful. It will allow me to defeat my enemies with ease. Okay, I got 3 glass, and I got and I got a piece of coal, and I got some coal, so glass time.
You've been a very bad kid this year because you got coal.
No, I mined this out of a mountain. I'm gonna go.
I'm being funny, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna go mining.
Okay.
I put glass in there, right? I put sand in there,
yes,
right?
you did, yes.
Okay,
I saw
good.
you physically put the 4 blocks of sand and put 1 in there.
Okay, good.
Okay? And I also physically saw you take the coal and put it in there, okay? Just so you know.
Coal, 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 coal.
You're a very bad kid.
I wanted coal. Coal is useful in this survival world.
Yes, I know.
This is the only thing that keeps me living. Well, because I have to do things.
Well, yeah, you have to cook things. You can't just eat your chicken raw.
Well, I've eaten bread and mutton.
Mutton.
That's sheep.
I know. I don't even like sheep. It's disgusting.
Why is there such a big coal deposit over here?
I think coal likes you.
No, I think there was a coal meteor. A meteor?
So much coal. What if you fall into a cave?
I'm not. Because I'll find it.
Get your freaking...
Do you remember the first rule of Minecraft?
Yes, never
dig
straight down. I couldn't say it.
Never dig straight down. That is
I can't say.
the biggest unwritten rule of Minecraft. Oh wait, no. It used to be on the cover, I'm pretty sure. Well, everybody talks about it.
Yeah, and that's in most of the videos. Oh my freaking god. Gosh. I mean...
Why do I have so much coal?
I guess it just likes you.
I've collected... Is there like 60 coal down here?
I don't know. What if you find a zombie?
I think I just found the coal jackpot.
Mm-hmm. You already have 25 pieces of coal.
I have a stone sword. I can defend myself from zombies. I killed multiple...
You have a sunflower to defend yourself. You are a clown. You are officially a clown.
No! I'm gonna use that in my garden.
Oh, I didn't know you had a garden.
No, I'm gonna make a garden.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's time for me to go.
Yeah, and I think it's time we make a house. And also, I'm really good at.
I have a
House making?
house.
Oh, okay, never mind.
My little shack of safety.
I thought your house was that water house.
Yeah, that it. Oh wait. Oh,
From there.
well, I do have a bed.
Oh my God, there's squid. Ah.
My house is this way, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good. I don't want to.
I don't know, unless we have to build a house.
Oh, here it is. Okay, bed. I always get shoved off my bed when I try to sleep in it. Duh.
Hey. Why can't I play? Why can't I play?
Okay, I'll let you play.
Why? Why?
I'll let you play soon.
I wish y'all could see my face right now.
That's weird.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that face on YouTube, so.
Plus, there's no face cam.
You would have to be a special, computer geek to do the face cam.
Oh wait,
Boop, boop, boop,
nope.
boop.
This website has face
Do the freaking face cam.
cam. Sorry, no. My brother doesn't like me using face cam. Well, I'm gonna lie down. I need to sit. I don't want to be.
Hey, I thought you said I could play.
I'll let you play soon.
Okay. Really soon. Oh, one question. Has any of y'all seen Stranger Things? I know that's a really dumb question. I'm just crazy. about
Common
Stranger
question of the day. Have you seen her favorite show?
Stranger Things! Yay! And also, Azzyland, you are my favorite YouTuber. I watch you every time my Kindle is charged. And
and
that's almost every day.
and she says a few bad words.
I don't care, though. I don't care.
I don't. What I do. Well, I'm gonna go mine that coal.
Okay.
That stone one.
Azzyland, you're my favorite. Yay!
You know, most of these people won't even know who you are and may not even watch this video.
Okay.
Well, my stone pickaxe is maybe more efficient than this wood one, but I don't care. You bring... I need all this coal. I need all of that coal. It's useful. I run low on coal. Soon my pickaxe is going to break. No more coal.
I don't have anything to say.
There's no more coal.
I'm out of words. I'm out of Azzyland words. Am I embarrassing you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll stop.
Yes.
Do you want me to just start the video?
No. Go. Bum, 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 bum. Plus, I actually have to go into the menu to exit. By the way, I will be playing this game off camera. Well, I actually started it off camera. You haven't seen a part 1 for this. Because this is
Yeah.
part 1.
Yeah, this is part 1, but I promise we'll make it better. Or we promise we'll make it better. Because right now we're just moving around a lot and talking. Not actually building.
I was collecting things. Well, on next episode, I'm gonna go, while I'm out, I'm gonna be hunting for some iron off camera. But, okay. Do you want to do something?
Yeah.
I want you to gather some wood, gather some wood, make an axe, and then I need you to build myself a real house.
Okay, yeah, I'll build you a real house.
Because that's just my because
That's just your secret. That's just your land house.
No, it's my bunker.
Gotcha, bunker thing.
Like,
And also, I'm really good at houses. So let me find the perfect spot. Okay. Ooh, if you're gonna have a garden, you should have a lot of flowers in this area. So
yes,
I'm gonna have it in this area because I know you like.
get flowers.
Well, first I have to make the freaking house.
Well, my garden is gonna be in the very front.
Okay, flowers. Why am I digging with the?
You have to wait until the hitbox of the flowers align. There. It's not.
Come on.
The hitbox of the flower isn't on the flower for some reason.
Get on the freaking flower. Okay, I'm gonna go to another flower. There we go.
I think this flower.
There we go.
You got the flower. It's like in Sonic with gold rings. Sonic by Sega.
Huh?
Not sponsoring this video.
And he is going to get a slinky. A gigantic rainbow slinky, and I think he's about to kill me with it.
I got it at Dave and Buster's.
You went to a casino?
No, Dave and Buster's. It's an arcade.
Oh. I thought it was a casino.
It was a lot of tickets. Tons. Oh, and
I'm
also...
collecting... Oh my god, 11 flowers.
And also, at one point, I lost a jackpot.
Oh
on
no,
a
that's so sad that you lost a jackpot. Oh my gosh, that's so sad.
It was 750 points.
What the freaking heck?
Yeah, it was...
Freak!
There was only like 5 of them in that machine, and I lost it. The card that had my points on it. Pterodactyl.
Get down. Spacebar. I'm really bad at computers. I'm used to like a PS3 or PS4 or PS4 or Xbox or I'm used to a game control.
It's not a
sprinting.
keyboard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get a keyboard. I'm gonna get a laptop soon.
She's saving up.
Ah, no, I went the wrong direction. Okay, here's some flowers over here. You need some roses, Jackson. I hope I collected it. Okay, yes, I collected it. Sunflower. And that goes up there. And don't mind the skin, that's his brother's. I think.
This is my brother's account.
So, yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of flowers.
4 flowers.
No.
15. Poppy, oh my god, it's... Don't mind me.
Squirrel.
I just have,
The video, it will almost have to be over.
Oh no, I don't want to leave you guys. I don't want to leave you guys.
Once this video is done publishing, we're gonna make an automatic another one. Okay?
Oh, yay, we get to make another episode. I can't say.
Only 1 minute and 30 seconds left.
Yeah, so. Let me collect these flowers and then I'm going to start building my house.
By the way, she's probably gonna build a house off camera.
Yeah, and then, like, decorate it on camera.
Yeah, because, like, putting the final touches.
Because I make really big houses. Just
Yeah,
so you know.
she made a barn for me. It was really good.
It was really tall, also.
Yeah,
It was like 5.
It was for my
6
command
blocks.
block horses.
His Sonic horse.
Well,
It was literally as fast as Sonic.
yeah,
Sonic
I used
Eh.
command block.
I need to stay in the air. I need to stay in the air. I need to breathe.
Well, once we get on land, that would be a good time to end the video once we get on land.
I'm drowning.
30 more seconds.
Hey, what was that for?
So, bye. So, everybody, goodbye.
Bye.